brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a Serpentine belt. This is a Toyota Camry 1998. The procedure is pretty much the same for vehicles between 1992 and 98. Items you'll need is a new Serpentine belt from 1AAuto.com, 12 to 14 millimeter socket, a ratchet, and an extension.
Open the hood and secure the hood prop. Your alternator is used to adjust the tension of the Serpentine belt, either tighter or looser, and also to slack it enough to be removed. Using a 14 millimeter socket and ratchet, loosen the bolt where the alternator mounts to the engine. This will allow the alternator to pivot when adjusting the adjuster screw. Using a 12 millimeter socket and ratchet, loosen this bolt into the alternator and then adjust your adjusting screw down to remove the belt. Turn the adjusting screw counterclockwise to loosen it. You may have to push down on the alternator a little to get it to move. Once you have enough slack, remove the Serpentine belt from the pulleys. You may have to twist it sideways to clear between the pulleys and the body. This belt will need to be changed. As you can see, all the lines are cracking all throughout the belt, as well as it being brown and dried out, making it very brittle and likely to snap under tension. Here, we have our old belt, which we removed from the vehicle, and our new belt from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, these belts, the same size, same thickness. As you can see, the new belt has nice rubber, nice and pliable, no cracking. You can clearly see the channels on the pulley. Same number of grooves on the bottom. The Serpentine belt will be installed around the crank pulley, over top of the alternator pulley, and under the AC compressor. With a new belt, you may have to loosen up the alternator adjuster more than you had to remove the old one. Be sure that the belt is seated properly onto the grooves of each pulley. Using a 12 millimeter socket and ratchet, turn the tensioning bolt clockwise to add tension to the belt. Lock down the adjusting block with the same 12 millimeter. Using a 14 millimeter socket and ratchet, clamp down the pivot point bolt. Start the vehicle and check that the belt does not squeal or slip.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.